Alright, so let's take a look at this problem. It says, assume a simple random sample has been selected from a normally distributed population, test the given claim, identify the hypothesis. Okay. Safety Administration conducted crash tests of child booster seats. Listed below are the results from the test, with measurements given in HIC. Alright. Use a 0.05 significance to test the claim that the sample is from a population with a mean less than 1,000. The less than always needs to be in the H1 line, so anything that has a inequality up here we're going to get rid of. So we know we can eliminate those two, so we're between these ones. When I take a look at this, this is the greater than or equal to symbol. This is a less than or equal to symbol, so this is the correct one. Alright, so now we're going to put this data in our graphing calculator. So give me a second to get that pulled up. Alright, so now we are going to go to Stat and Edit. And okay, so if for some reason you don't have an L1 here, what you're going to want to do is hit Stat and then go down to Setup Editor and then hit Enter. So sometimes your L1 will be deleted. You may have accidentally hit the delete button, but if that's the case, just go to Setup Editor. So now when I go to Stat and then I click the Edit button, we can now put this data in. To clear your list, go up and then hit Clear and then hit Enter. Now we're going to type these in. So 741, 755, 1198. Please double check to make sure that you are entering all the data in and it's correctly. 566, 499. Alright, so you actually can't see this, but I did this video once already and got to the end and realized I had one number incorrectly, and so I was missing this number. That's why there's a number filled in here. So I actually am going back and re-recording this. Just please take some time to double check to make sure I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to go to Stat, we're going to go to Calc, and or Test, and we're going to select T-Test, which is number 2. Please make sure, most people have stats highlighted. Make sure you go ahead and you highlight data now. The mean that we are testing is going to be 1,000. You can see that that's right here, right? We want to make sure this says L1. We're going to have a frequency of 1. And then this should match up with the inequality of the alternative. So you see this is opening up this way, which is why I have this one selected. So we're going to select that. And we're going to run this. And I get a t-value of negative 2.663. So negative 2.663. Cool. Alright, now what's the p-value? I take a look, it's 0.0224. And is this less than our significance level? I compare that to my significance level of 0.05. This value is less than, so we can reject H0. Sorry, it's not allowing me to see this. I'm going to pull this up a little bit. We will reject H0, so then we would say there is sufficient evidence to support the claim.